Good morning, everybody. It's Kristoph. It's my newly fletched and pointed Atlatl. My finger loops made from rolled up faux leather, actually, and trying for as much authenticity as possible, while at the same time keeping it usable in a modern way. I would have tried a different pattern, but I kind of like this one. Alright, so I missed the target, but I hit something else. Try again. Hit the target. So I'm doing better already. I think the 1/2-inch diameter rod combined with the fletching and the weight up front all makes for a much better flying projectile. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what I've been working towards. It's pretty good, actually. So I still have to taper the rod here. It's not tapered, so they have a hard shoulder, but I need to grind that down. So, with the evolution of my stick and my dart, I've come to realize that my bad marksmanship had more to do with my equipment than my, in fact, bad marksmanship. We'll see, though. Oh, hit it twice. Hey. You see the hook works pretty good for grabbing things. And the little point is good for poking things. So it's not just a spear launcher, but it's actually a stick of poking. In case I need to investigate something without touching it, I can poke it. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I can actually hit the target now. And it's going in about 6 inches. Whoa. Look at this. 4 throws, I'm already hitting the center line. It's actually the equipment. Better equipment means better shots like this, better accuracy. Imagine it going deeper once I get these shoulders ground down smooth. I requested 5/16 insert point. Instead, I got 1/4 inch. You know what? It's okay. It all works. All good. No problem. Look at this. Having a good time out here. I understand it's already about 102 degrees. That's why I'm panting and out of breath. But you can see with the finger loops, I have a better hold on the throwing stick, and the dart is just way better. Went in about that far, just roughly 5.5 inches. So let's try it one more time before I call it for the morning. Yay. Nope, that's not it. That's it. Oh no, mouse. Oh no, mouse. My fault. Got a little excited, shot too low. Let's try that again, shall we? Oh my goodness. What can I say? I'm not a good shot, but with a little practice, it's not hard to. So, there we have it, folks. A little bit of practice, a little bit of exercise. Even a poor marksman can hit the target 4 out of 5 times. Thank you for viewing this with me, or for me, or being along in this adventure. I shall do more. I have an interesting design for a Atlatl that I'd like to try. That incorporates a 1/2 inch shaft, a bone handle, and an antler top. So we'll see how that works out. If you like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.